So besides all the long-term projects that we have currently going on, daily stuff, easy bolt-ons that we have coming in and out. So here's another good example. We got a 2016 Huracan that's coming in for the Vorsteiner rear wing and RYFT titanium exhaust system. So just simple, in and out, couple days we're done, and it's going to be a complete transformation as far as sound and look, because as you can tell in the car, it looks pretty subtle with the matte wrap. It needs it a little bit more, and I think the wing is going to make it a little bit more aggressive.
How much louder do you think the RYFT exhaust is going to be than the stock?
Well, he doesn't want it too loud. Right. I think it's going to increase maybe 20-30% on sound, because we're still keeping everything. This is not a full race, this is a sport exhaust system. Okay. So it's going to be a little bit more muffled, but it's going to have that, aggressive sound that you're looking for.
See what's going on with Collin's car. It's been a couple of days. Luke,
what's up?
What's up with Collin's car?
Motor's almost ready to go in. We're pressure testing the coolant system right now. Okay. Because if something's wrong, then the motor has to come back out. So
gotcha.
Verify everything.
Pulleys on, turbos welded.
The wiring harness is all on. Everything's on. It's pretty much ready to go in.
Okay, so we're about to, once you finish that, we're gonna start test fitting it. Just kind of go from there, see what's happening with it.
So motor in, we'll get the intercooler on. We'll start making the custom intercooler piping.
How many times do you think it's gonna take for this motor to go in and out to get it just right?
So I've already done it about, I think, 5 or 6 times. Okay. Just making sure that everything clears.
Right.
So at this point, it should be good. Okay. I should not have to pull it out again, hopefully.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, sick. Well, I'll check up on you in a little bit then. Tony. What do you think about the Liberty Walk GTR? You don't see many of the silhouette kits around.
No, you don't. Super expensive, you know?
Yeah.
So not a lot of people would invest in the body kit, but...
Yeah, so what is a stage 3 again for the people who don't know?
Pretty much, it's pretty much a full bolt-on with the turbo kit and the intercooler upgrade.
Gotcha.
Okay, and the ejectors.
Cool.
You know, push around 750 wheel and try to keep the torque down about 650.
Nice. That should be pretty rowdy. Yeah. Okay, so the bumper's off of the car. Do you ever get like nervous pulling apart cars like this?
Only when a stereo shop has installed radar jammers and I don't know what to expect. Right. Otherwise, usually okay.
Okay, so all we gotta do now is the brace right here, right?
Yeah, this brace comes off. We've got this frame that supports the bumper that comes off, and then this upper deck lid. And then that'll expose the whole exhaust and we can get the new one in. Rip
that out, put the new one in. Yep. And how much louder do you think it's going to be?
Quite a bit louder. It should be a little more fun, yeah.
63 and 66. Cool. Okay, so RYFT exhaust. 21.6. Okay.
The new RYFT is 21. The OEM is 63. Well, that's a big difference. You know, I don't know if it's gonna make more power with this. We haven't done a back-to-back comparison, but just for the sound and the weight savings alone, I think it's definitely worth it.
Right, and it looks a lot better too.
Oh yeah, I mean that thing looks like a suitcase.
Okay, so the bumper's on, but what are you needing to do now?
I hate stereo shops and I forgot to run the jammers. So I'm gonna try to snake the jammer sensors through without taking the bumper off. Hopefully.
See how well that works?
Yes.
The exhaust looks good though.
Looks really good.
That's not gonna work, is it? Exhaust and everything. How easy was it?
1 to 10, say a good 5.
Yeah. With the bolts being too long, they sent you...
The wrong hardware being included with the wing. Just being real precise with drilling into it.
the valve. So this is what I like about it is, you know, for someone that just want a little bit more sound, a little bit more performance, you're not going to make a whole lot of horsepower from it. But I think, you know, just for the sound aspect of it and the wing, we did that. I like how it gives you that aggressive look.
Yeah, it's super nice.
Like I said, you know, I think with wheels and suspension, the lower give you that that aggressive stance that will finish up the look. But I like the aftermarket exhaust tip. I like how that looks. It's really aggressive. It's titanium. It's angle cut. And you save weight.
Right.
But main thing is the sound.
Yeah. Does it always feel like Christmas whenever you unbox parts like this?
It always feels like Christmas every day here. It's always something new.
Do what?
Don't believe him. He's already
It feels more special if it has my name on it for my car. I'm about to unbox these carbon fiber parts from RYFT. It's for a 720S for a very good client, friend of ours. It's CJ on 32. He's coming in. I think he's bringing his green 720S from Chicago. I haven't seen it yet. I saw it on one of the video, but it's got a lot of green. He custom painted. Yeah. Pearl green or whatever it is on there. It doesn't have a lot of carbon option on it, so he reached out to us and said, hey man, I want to get some carbon fiber pieces that's gonna tone it down a little bit, add some black to the car, just have some contrast on there.
Right.
I heard you from the back. I was in the back and I heard something flew.
Oh, does this belong to me right here?
This is yours right here.
Dang.
I like this part right here. Swoops down. Yeah, that's for the back.
You're being recorded. Being recorded twice.
So how much power this car's making?
I had the dyno papers, but I don't remember. But it was hot. This is my fastest car right here. Boy, it's lightning fast.
You want something faster? No, I got that one for sale.
Oh, GTR?
Yeah.
Go take a spin.
you look good in there, Kenny. NASCAR Kenny.
Dude, it sounds really good.
Yeah, that tune and everything they got on there.
You look good in there.
And the sides come in.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop it off.
All right, let me know, man.